The deck is totally out. I just had that one beam that's attached to the siding to unscrew and take out carefully. And you can see the cement supports. I believe they're called caissons. I took out these three, 1, 2, and 3. You can see them laying over here. They're actually not bad to get out if you're gonna do it yourself. I used a pickaxe to kind of dig around it and then a sledgehammer to loosen them and just picked them right out. So I'm gonna make sure the contractor wants me to take these last 4 out before I take those. No need to waste energy. And then I'm gonna clear the rocks out of there and clear out that garden barrier, that steel garden barrier. It's still in there. And take all that flagstone out, take the railings off that are attached to that awning. And then it should be prepared for the contractor. And I'll show you over here some of the demolition. Like, this is the stuff that I raked up that's splintered that I'll take care of later. And this is all of it, and this is all stacked up waiting to be hauled away. So yeah, all in all, not that bad. I would say it took me probably 8 hours to do everything, even though I split it up one afternoon and then the next afternoon. Probably took me 8 hours total. So not too bad of a job. It's definitely a good workout. And I will keep videoing little parts as I go so that you see the progression. And then when the contractor comes, I'll do like a time lapse of them putting in the concrete, or actually probably preparing the ground, leveling, pouring, and then stamping, and how it looks at the end. So please like and subscribe if you want to follow this stuff. And I've got a bunch of different reviews coming also on various different things, some related to this project and some bike stuff and some other things that are totally unrelated to any of that. Just regular reviews that will help you, hopefully, if you're looking for the same things I am. So I will leave it there, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, so I got the support off the off the siding of the house without too much trouble. There's my wacky son. Raked out everything. I'm going to rake out those rocks. Took the railings off from underneath the awning. I left those 2 railing supports because they are connected to this step. And then I'm going to take out this flagstone over here that has all the furniture on it temporarily. And this is where the concrete is going to be poured, and it's going to be stamped concrete without coloring. It's going to be one color, I believe, but they're going to do texture with the stamping. So all this, and I think on this tile right here, they're going to, instead of demoing it, which would cost extra, I believe they're going to cement over it and just make stairs if it's not level. That's my understanding of what they're going to do. He's going to come back, the contractor, now that he can see everything underneath, and make sure the bid is accurate and there's not going to be any hidden costs. So yeah, it took me about 2 days, a little over 8 hours, and it was not that bad if you're considering demoing yourself and then replacing with cement and having a contractor come out. Depending on your deck and how it was built, I don't see any problem with you doing it by yourself or with family. So I will videotape the next step and keep it all going. Thanks for watching.